Hello from Parsley Hill Spaniels. It's a okay kind of day. It's sad day today. Excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. No, you don't need to hear me sneeze. It's the day I need to take Gertie to the vet and let her go to sleep. She's fought a long, hard battle. She fought valiantly, but I think enough is enough. The Major and I decided, hard decision to make. I think it always is, to take a life. And you know, even if some people say, oh, it's just a chicken, sorry, it's still a sentient being. They have feelings. They just do things differently to furry things, like this lot. It's funny because all the girls are sort of like rallying around her today in the coop, almost like giving her the best day, the best send-off sort of thing. So yeah, anyway, that's what I've got on today, or this afternoon I should say. When you see this will be tomorrow, and that means that I would have taken, oh, that's Boogie, I would have taken Adelaide, wherever she's hiding, to go and get her lump removed from her chest. So I've got that going on as well. I've got to clear up an eyeliner. There we go. Anyway, how is everyone? Hope you're all well. Welcome to our new subscribers. Lovely to have you with us. Sorry. Oh, excuse my nose. Sorry, it's a bit sad. Not normally like this. We're normally happy people with happy teddies, and well, the teddies are still happy. Look at her exploring there, tails wagging. Makes everything good. Oops. Alright, just got to clear my way of teddy parcels. Teddy toffee, as we call them. Right. Oh. Anyway, hope you're all well. Hope you're keeping well. See, there's a bit of a cold spell coming in. We're meant to have that dreaded white stuff tomorrow. We all know how I feel about that. However, it's not going to be lasting. It should all go again by the weekend, which is good. I don't mind the cold, even though I'm sniffing. Sorry, I don't mind the cold. It's the white stuff that annoys me. Anyway, that's what's up. What else have we got going on this weekend? Yeah, I need to try and paint the sleigh. Might have to bring that inside to do that. Do it in the garage. And then get the Major to help bring up the Christmas boxes so I can start decorating inside. I haven't decided what I'm doing outside yet. Whether I'm just doing the gate, or whether I'm going to do part of the fence line, or whether I'm going to do down by the vegetable patch and part of the fence line and the gate. I think it may just be the gate, to be honest. I can hear a teddy barking. No idea why they're barking, as usual. Whoops. Got a feeling the children are back at school, so the teachers must be off strike now, because the teddies came out and were barking at kids waiting for the bus to come and pick them up today. Because out here the bus comes and picks them up from their homes. Unlike the UK, where you have to go to a bus stop to go and get picked up by the school bus, this one picks up as near as they can to your home, which is good, and drops them off there as well. Oh, excuse me. Sniffs I've got. Heavens. Oh. It's time of year. It's not cold enough to get rid of the bugs yet. But it is cold enough to make your nose run and then get stuffy. So, and then run, and then stuffy, and run and stuffy. As you can see, these are all very busy. Not sure how Adelaide's going to like not having a biscuit in the morning. she's not allowed to have anything past 8 o'clock tonight other than water. Yeah, so she's not going to be happy. Hey, biggie mama? Come on now. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I have my MRI results. Yeah, I've got a full thickness tear in the rotator cuff, in the super, whatever it is, super spinata. And I got some ligament and muscle receding as well. Good news though, my bicep's good. There's some good news. Anyway, surgeon calls me next week, and then I see her in January. And then we'll decide whether I'm having surgery or not. Funny enough, the surgeon's called Marnie. Well, our daughter's called Marnie. Only surgeon spells her without an E. Hers without an E, I should say. Oh, don't know what she's barking for. I don't think she does either. She never does. Excuse me. Yeah. I'd say it's a bit nippy. I think it's about 2 degrees. I think I'm meant to go up to about 6 today. That's Celsius. So, what's that? 30, 34 Fahrenheit. Something like that. Although the east coast of the States and the east coast of Canada meant to get really cold next week. Like super duper cold. And we're meant to warm up. I'm all for that. Anything that keeps that dreaded white stuff from staying down is always good. What are you eating? Stop eating that, you. God. Oh, excuse my sniffs. So, have you got any plans this week, people? What are you up to? What are you doing? How are you doing it? It's bonfire night in the UK tonight. And Newfie has it as well, Newfoundland. Which is where they celebrate Guy Fawkes being caught and hung, drawn and quartered. Funny celebration, isn't it? So that Parliament wasn't blown up. So there'll be fireworks and bonfires and hot chocolate and all sorts. I haven't been to a bonfire and fireworks in years. I'm trying to think of the last one we went to. May have been Purbright. So what's that? 20 years ago? Maybe? 21 years ago? Something like that. Oh, excuse me. It's all pretty, but gets to a point where you just go, yeah. Let's go this way. Oh, it's broken again now. Alright. Percy's in. The pigeon. He's ventured down near the barn. The deer are starting to come in now, but we won't start feeding them till next month. Probably about the second week or so in December. And then hopefully it'll just be one bag for December, one bag for January and one for February. It's quite expensive feeding them all. Come on, we'll go up this way. I don't know if you can see it, there's a bit of a frost on the ground. You know, it's mid-morning. And of course now our clocks have gone back. The sun starts setting around 3:30 and it's dark by 5. Just throw your body clock out because you think, oh, it's dark. I've only got a couple of hours till bedtime, but of course if you try and put yourself to sleep for 7:30, you're awake by 9-10 o'clock at night. And you've got to try and read or do something to get you to go back off to sleep by midnight or something. So try and keep awake till about 10:30 at night. Now, at least that way I shouldn't wake up before 4 in the morning then, which is good. Do you guys have trouble when the clocks go back? Oh, it always makes you feel tired, doesn't it? What earth are they doing? Oh, we'll go gather them in a second. Right. Let's get up. So, oops. I got somebody trying to... Yeah, I thought so. That just hit my ankles. Thank you. So on our Sunday saunter this week, we'll be remembering Gertie as well. Bless her. Beautiful girl. A beautiful soul. Taken too soon. I don't know what you're eating. Don't eat it. Come on, you. Let's go. Looks like I've got an Eric to find, and that's it. Right. Thanks for coming along on our little stroll. Sorry, it's not as jovial as it normally is. Oh, and apologies for the last video that we posted. Didn't realise that it had cut off before we said goodbye. That's not right. So, with sniffs and things. Take care, everyone. Until next time. Hey, happy sniffs.